Hello guys, how are you? If are you looking to pass your class 4 commercial license, so I'm gonna help you today how you can do how you guys can pass class 4 inspection. So I'm gonna show you everything today. So so before so I'm gonna tell you, like, basically we have to pre-trip the car before starting class 4 test. So I'm gonna cover all the necessary things you need to get to pass your class 4 and less demerits. So we're gonna cover all outside the cab, inside cab, all tire, all lights, all signal, horn, and stuff like that. And if you watch my video and give me a like and comment if you really like this one, and I will try to do my best. So we're gonna start. So so we're gonna start. So the number one point is for this parking brake. So like you need to tell the instructor that I have applied for my parking brake, and you will get 1 point for that one. And then you're gonna open the hood, and then we have opened the hood, and so then you have to make sure no visible damage on the mirror, or no hood damage or nothing or anything. So you need to tell the instructor like really what are you doing. So I'm gonna open my hood over here. So while opening the hood, you guys need to like show him like I had secured my hood, like you guys really need to like tell everything the instructor like what are you guys doing and stuff like that. So then the basic thing is that you need to check oil level, and you guys need to say like if you are a maximum oil or minimum oil, you guys need to say like I have maximum level or minimum level, like adequate level or something like that. Then you're gonna check the coolant, secured cap, and then a windshield water water windshield, and then you guys need to check brake fluid, and then your battery, no damage, no cracks, and then fuse box, no radiator damage, and like all the wires and stuff like that. Yeah, so when you check the battery, make sure you guys say to him like no carbon, no rust on the battery terminals. So my car is new, so I don't have anything, so I'm good. So then you guys need to check all these wires like well connected and stuff, and then the main thing is like you guys need to go and check under the car for the no leaks, and which is very important. Like there is like some points for that one, and so you need to make sure you do that. And after that you guys can close your hood, and then you guys need to check your license plate, secured and stuff, no bumper damage, no light damage, and so all good. Now we're gonna move to the tire. So you guys need to check 3 things like air pressure, tread depth, and tread wear, and lug nuts, and then no damage on the wheel. So I will start with my first tire. You guys need to check like the depth, like tread depth is good, no cracks or no nothing, like wheels are good, lug nut present, and no steam or rust on the tire, and tread wear is at adequate level. So you have to do for this all tire, right? So then you guys need to check the mirror, and you guys need to check the windows, like open and close smoothly for all. Then you guys need to check the all windows. So I need to start my engine before doing that. You need to check all 4 windows, and then so most of the guys just forgot like checking this fuel cap. So make sure you do that. There's 1 extra point for this one too. Then same thing like on the tire, I have already told you guys. Then after that, come to the back, like no visible damage. You guys need to check the bumper, no damage. Check your license plate, and then you guys need to check the lights, which I will cover in my lights inspection. So after that, you guys need to go under under you guys need to watch under the car, like no damage on the exhaust and stuff like that. And then so same thing, like you guys need to check all your windows, go up and down. Same thing for the tires. Check your mirror, no damage on the roof, and check your wipers, like have good light flap. So up to that point, I have covered like what you guys need to check under the hood, and like all basic things from outside. So basically you need to check everything, right? So like all the lights, all the bumper and everything. So I think I have covered any like all the stuff I need to. But if you guys have anything more like to ask me, just ask in the comment box, and I will get you guys as soon as possible. Now we going further, and we doing the light test. So you guys need to put your car on. First turn on your lights, and then turn your high beam on. And once you turn that one, then you guys need to tell the instructor like what are you guys doing. Like, so this is high beam light which is currently on. This is like I'm making this video in the day, so like most of you guys like not able to see that one. But so this is the, so you need to tell the instructor your high beam light is on, and you need to check all marker lights on and daylights on for the right side, and do same for on the left side, right? And then go back and check your daylights. So as I said, I'm shooting in the day, so you won't be able to see if it's working, but I can do this thing for you guys. And check your light under license plate, for the license plate. So mine is working. Make sure you guys car light work too. And after that, you guys need to turn off your high beam, and then you need to come back and tell the instructor like my low beam is working for all, like for the right side or for the left side. So then after that, you guys need to turn your left signal. So then mine is working, my left signal is working, so same as the back one. So my left back signal is working. So you guys need to tell the instructor like what are you guys doing. Yeah, otherwise he gonna not give you any points or anything, right? So he will make you fail. So that same we will do for our right side. So I have done my right signal on, which is currently working, which is good. So then you guys need to check the back indicator too, right? So which is working right now. Yeah, so I have covered up to under the hood, outside, all the lights, all the fuel caps, all the, oh, one thing I forgot about. So you guys need to check your trunk. You guys need to check the trunk, work open and close smoothly, and make sure, so I have lots of stuff in my trunk, so make sure you got extra tire and tools with it, and emergency kit, and fire extinguisher, and 3-way flasher. When you drive commercial license, right, you get when you do your knowledge test, you get aware about that thing. So now I'm gonna do my inside the cab. So I have already told you guys need to check your all windows go up. You guys need to check these lights. All the lights work well, same as the back one. So then you guys need to check all the seat belts, like no broken or damage or nothing, like all the locks and stuff. And then so you guys need to check the locks of the seat belts for everything, like driver side, passenger side, back 3 for the back, for the passenger sitting on the back, and then you guys need to check water windshield, like no damage on the windshield, and you guys need to make sure your wipers work. So make sure you guys check your front and back heater defroster of your car, and mine is working, and then you should be all good. And then check your fuel meters, and like the heat meter and fuel meter and tachometer, and then that should be all. You guys need to check your all the meters, like this meter is secured, and then you guys need to check the horn and your 4-bay flashers, which are currently working, and then at last you guys need to do the brake test. So like just put your car on parking brake, or just put in drive or something like that, and then and it should be good, right? So my car is not moving. I already put in my parking brake. You guys need to then drive it and then push it, so my brakes are working. So that should be all. And I hope you guys will watch my video and give me like. If you need any other question, just drop in comment box. I will help you guys right away. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with many more videos. Have a great day, you guys, and I hope you do good and get your class 4 license and drive your cab. And